All right, traders. Today is January 23rd, 2024. My name is John Kerrigan. We're going to do the BYOB market wrap-up. All right, let's take a look at some charts. Here's SPY. On the daily chart, what did we put in? We put in a slightly higher low, and it looks like about an equal high up there on SPY. So slightly higher low and about an equal high on SPY. Still in an uptrend, closing over the 3/8 trap. I'm going to go out on a limb and say the rest of the market looks the same way. Let's take a look at QQQ. QQQ not quite as strong. Lower low and lower high, but closing over the 3/8 trap. Still bullish. Let's take a look at FNGU. FNGU, lower low and lower high. Still bullish. Closing over the 3/8 trap. Diamond Dow. Lower high, lower low. Still closing over the 3/8 trap. Still bullish. IWM. Higher low, higher high, closing over the 3/8 trap, definitely still bullish. All right, let's take a look at our technicals. In the technicals, we fell out of the overbought zone into the chop zone, chopped around for, let me just say, a good part of the day until about 2:30. And then Tex called the inverted head and shoulders, and we rocked it up to buy zone up here. And now it seems like we're back in the chop zone near the end of the day. T2123 started out green, went red, then green, then red, then green to finish out the day. Nice strong finish into this falling 200. We'll see if they can negotiate, navigate over that falling 200 tomorrow or the rest of the week. 3-bar chart, we've got price action rising up over the trend indicator, turning the trend indicators green. FNGU started out green, little red, little green, little red, hanging out at VWAP all day till about 2:30, then broke out and produced a mini bull flag right there near the highs. So there's FNGU on the 15. Let's take a look at oil and gas. So let's take a look at USO. Here's USO putting in a higher low and a lower high, kind of an inside day for USO, leaving 2 wicks up there. Notice the second wick's a little shorter than the first wick. All right, so we could have a descending wick pattern, but closing over the bullish 3/8 trap and over trend indicator. Nice work for USO. UNG. UNG expands volatility with a lower low and a higher high. Closing out the day at 505, still under the bearish trap and under the trend indicator. Trying to hang on to minor support right here in UNG. So there's UNG. Let's take a look at precious metals. Here's silver and gold. Here's silver. Pops up. Got a higher low, higher high, closing in the 3/8 trap. That's the bearish 3/8 trap. Still underneath that trend indicator, underneath the downtrend line, and in the bearish 3/8 trap. GLD. GLD closing a higher low and a higher high, closing above the bearish 3/8 trap, but under the trend indicator. So between the trap and the trend indicator right there. So there's gold, still bullish on gold. Has not broken this low, so it's still bullish. You can see here's the last higher low, creating a higher high. Now we're looking for this higher low to hold. You create a higher high. We'll see what happens here in gold. All right, so let's take a look at the dollar, see what the dollar's rocking out. Okay, so the dollar closes for the first time over the flat 200. Not a good sign for the market. Okay, dollar closing over the flat 200. We'll see what happens there. Tomorrow morning, actually earnings for tonight. Tonight's Tuesday. We got Johnson & Johnson. We got Netflix. 200 billion is going to report tonight after the close. And Texas Instruments. They're going to report tonight after the close. So we'll see what happens there. All right, traders, that's it. Everybody have a wonderful evening. All right, I'll see you all tomorrow at 8 o'clock.